Hi there, my name is Heather and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Snipping tool. So what is the Snipping tool? It's a great little tool that you can use to print a screen or a section of the screen. It's good for demoing processes and it's great for written guides and tutorials. You can also use the pen to sketch on your snip if you have a surface and a pen. So one of the ways you can use the snipping tool is going to the start menu and then searching for snip or snipping tool and selecting it. So as you can see, you've got a mode, so you can select whether you want to do a freeform snip or rectangular snip. You can delay the snip, but to actually start a snip, all you need to do is click new. So if you click new, that will allow you to create your snip. And all you do is you just drag the cursor across the area that you want to snip. This will open up a window and you can see there's different options. You can save your snip and you can copy it, and you can also send it by email. If you use the pen tool or the highlighter, you can actually do things like circle areas or point things out. Another quick way of using the snipping tool is using the Windows key, then pressing Shift and then S. This will open up the Snip and Sketch tool. Another way of using the snipping tool is using the Snip and Sketch tool. If you go down to the Windows Ink workspace at the bottom of your screen, if you have a Windows 10 device, click on Full Screen Snip. This will allow you to snip your screen. So this has done a full screen snip, and if I use the pen tools, if I have a pen and a surface, I can actually draw on my snip. So I can select the pen that I want and the colour, and then I can actually draw on my snip, so I can point things out if I'm doing like a tutorial or if I want to create a guide. You can also use things like the highlighter, and there is actually also a ruler on here as well. You can also crop your snip. So if you use the cropping tool, this will allow you to crop your snip. You can also save your snip, and you can copy it, or you can share it if you need to. Thank you for watching. This video was made in PowerPoint. If you search hashtag EdTech Demo Giphy, you can keep up with all the news, tutorials and webinars that we are putting on for the EdTech Demo Project. And for more tutorials, please search for the Giphy Innovate channel on YouTube.